Hello, it's Chris from Circles. Today we're going to look at general maintenance checks on a car. Now there are three things you want to check. They are your oil, your coolant liquid and your washer liquid for the windscreen wipers. So the first thing we're going to check is the oil. To check the level of oil you have to make sure the engine's cold, and then you use this, which is the dipstick, and so you pull it out, give it a wipe to clean off any oil that's on there, and then dip it again all the way in, pull it out and check the level of oil. Now it should be within this cross-hatched area here, and it's just below it, so we're going to add some oil. Now the oil doesn't go in there, it goes in this cap over here in the top of the engine, and you've got to make sure that you use the right oil, different oil for different cars, and if you look in the car manual it'll tell you which type of oil to use. Pour it in here. Now we'll let that oil seep down through the engine and into the sump, which is where the dipstick goes to, and then when that's seeped through we'll check the dipstick again, and now it's up to the right level. That's brilliant. Okie doke. I'll put the top back on there. The next one to check is the coolant level. Now the coolant has antifreeze in that comes undiluted, so quite strong, so I've put some of that in already because I can see that the level's low. And now I'm going to top the rest up with water. So I'm just going to fill it up so it's above the minimum line and below the maximum line. Okay, that's topped up. So the third and final one is the washer liquid. Again, this comes concentrated and you need to mix it with water, but this time I've pre-mixed it in the bottle so I can pour this one straight in. Be careful not to spill it everywhere, and we fill that up till it gets to the top of this pipe. So there are your three main checks. You've got the engine oil, the engine coolant level and the windscreen washer liquid.